Good morning, students. Students, earlier I told you I teach you the entries of bill of exchange in different cases. Okay, so now I will solve the numerical questions. Okay, related to these different cases. Okay, so in your book, chapter number 16, bill of exchange. In your book, page number 688, question number 2. So why we are doing question number 2? Because in question number 1, the question is related to just calculating the days on which bill is due. Okay, so we are starting from question number 2, and the case under question number 2 is retaining bill. So case 1 in this, sorry, case 2, retaining bills, retaining bills till the date of maturity. Bills till the date of maturity. So students, when the drawer, who is drawer, who draw the bill, who make a bill, to drawer we also call seller. When seller hold the bill till date of the maturity, means it is the seller who sold the goods on the credit and he hold that bill till the date of maturity. Okay, at that time what entry will be passed? So I told you the entry, we are now doing the questions. So the statement of this question is Raja sold goods to rank 1000 on 1st July 2018, drew a bill upon the later for 2 months. Rank accepted it and returned it to Raja. Bill is duly met and on maturity. Give the journal entries in the books of both parties. So Raja and Rank are two persons. Okay, Raja is a seller and Rank is a customer. So Raja is the drawer and Rank is drawing. Okay, so we are passing the journal entry. First of all, we prepare the performa. So in question we are asking about to prepare the journal entry in the both of these books. Okay, in the books of Raja also, in the books of Ranka also. First of all, we prepare the journal entries in the books of Raja. In the books of Raja means in the book of seller. So when we are preparing journal entry in the books of seller, the journal entry first is when goods are sold. So here is 2018. Goods are sold on July 1st. Okay. So in bill of exchange, all the transactions are credit transactions. That's why bills are drawn upon the drawing. Okay. So when goods are sold on credit, rank debit to sales. Raja sold goods to rank. Rank account is debit. Rank account debit to sales account. Okay, so the amount is 1000 on debit side and 1000 on credit side. After that, student, Raja draw a bill on the name of Rank. Rank means Raja sold goods to Rank on credit. Now Rank has to pay rupees 1000. So he promised that he paid, not promise, in a bill. It is written that Rank paid bill. Okay, after 2 months of 1st July. Okay, so this transaction is held on 1st July 1st. Okay, after 2 months, Rank paid the amount of 1000 to Raja. So he drew a bill upon his name, on the Rank's name. So at that time, when bill is drawn upon the name of Rank on July 1st, okay, at that time we are debiting the bills receivable account. Bills receivable account debit to Rank account. When bill is drawn upon the name of the drawee, bills receivable to rank 1000. After that, when payment is made, so student, this transaction is held on July 1st. Okay, and this bill is matured. The bill of rupees 1000 matured after 2 months. Okay, so 2 months, July to August to, after 2 months are given. August to September. So first month and second month. So as you know that when bill is matured, 3 days is given more. Okay, so 2 months means the bill is matured on 3 days are more given. So on 4th September, bill is matured. Okay, so grace days are given because bill is covered. 2 months are covered on 1st September, but 3 grace days are given. So bill is matured on 4th September. Okay, so on 4th September, bill is retained by Raja himself. Okay, he does not give it to another person. He does not endorse to other person. So bill when bill is matured, Rank paid amount directly to Raja, and the entry of that September 4th. Okay, the entry is cash account debit. In the books of Raja, when amount is received, cash account debit. From which amount is received? From bills receivable, because these bills are receivable in the past, but now its maturity date is come and now it is received. So cash account debit to bills receivable account. So cash account of Raja is debit. From where he get cash? From the bills receivable of which he was done credit sale earlier. Okay, and the amount of bill was 1000. Clear, students? So these are the entries in the books of Raja when retaining bill till the maturity date. So Raja is the seller. So these are the entry in the books of Raja. Now we are passing the journal entry in the books of Rank. So in the books of Rank. So Rank is the seller and the drawee. So in the books of drawee, when he purchased goods. So now we are taking the point of view of Rank. Rank purchased goods on credit. The journal entry at that time, July 1st. The journal entry is Rank, purchases account debit. Purchases account debit to from whom he purchased goods. He purchased goods from Raja. So purchases account debit to Raja. Okay, 1000. So when bill is drawn upon the name of the Rank, so bill receivable is for Raja and that bill is payable for Rank because Rank purchases goods. Now the bill which is drawn on the name of the Rank is taken as bills payable. Okay, for Rank it is bill payable and for Raja it is bill receivable. But now we are recording the entries in the books of Rank, so we are using the word bills payable. So when goods are sold on 1st July, at the same date bill is drawn upon the name of Rank. So the journal entry is Raja account debit. Raja received the bill. Raja account debit to bills payable. To bills payable account. Bills payable is given to Raja. Okay, in the books of Rank, and the amount is 1000 and 1000. So when bill is paid on the maturity date on September 4th, at that time bills payable. So Rank paid the bill. So bills payable is expense for Rank. So bills payable account B/P bills payable. Okay, bills payable account debit to cash account because Rank paid cash. Why he paid cash? For paying out its bill. For paying out his bills. So bills payable account debit to cash account 1000. Clear, student? So this is the second case when retaining bills till the date of maturity. So we are passing the journal entry in the books of drawer, that is Raja, and in the books of drawee, who is Rank. Clear, students? Next is student third case, discounting a bill. So students, as I told you earlier that the drawer need money. Okay, so what he do, he discount the bill which he made on the name of the drawee. He can discount that bill from his bank. Now when the drawee do the payment, he doesn't do to the drawer, he do the payment to the person who have the bill in his phone, in his hand. Okay, so when the drawee bill, when the drawer discount his bill, means in cash his bill from the bank. Now bill is in the hand of bank. Now when bill is paid by the drawee, bank received that amount. Okay, so when bill discounted a bill, at what time, at that time what entries are passed. So students, question number 3 is related to this. X draws a bill on Y for rupees 2000 payable 2 months after the date, but bill was duly accepted and returned by to Y to X, who then discounted it his banker at 6% per annum. On the due date, bank get the payment, make the entry in the books of both parties. So students, X X is seller and Y is purchaser, means customer. So X to X we call drawer and Y is drawing. So X drawn a bill upon the name of Y. Okay, at that time X discounted the bill from his bank at the rate of 6%. Now we are passing the journal entry in the books of both X and Y. So first we are doing a case in the books of X. X is drawer. Okay students, now first entry. So these no dates are given. Yes, no dates are given. So we are pointing on the date column. We are numbering the number 1 and 2. So in the books of X, when bill is drawn upon the name of the drawer. At that time, the journal entry is bills receivable account debit to Y. Okay, and the amount of bill is 2000. So when X draw bill on the name of Y, at that time bill receivable account debit to Y account 2000. And now X discount the bill, means X in cash that bill from his bank because he need money. Okay, so at that time what entry is passed? So bank account debit. When X discount the money from his bank account is debited with that amount. Yes or no? Because the amount is transferred to his account, to his bank account. So at that time bank account of X is debited. Okay, and that amount he discounts from the bank at rupees 6% discount. So bank doesn't pay him the full amount. Bank discount the bill at bank in cash the bill at discount. So we are writing discount. Now X allow discount to his bank. So discount allowed, we can say that allowed account debit. Okay, to bills receivable. From whom he get money? From the source of bills receivable. So total amount of bill is 2000, and at 2000 6% is discount. At 2000 how much discount amount is there? So 6%. So 6% of 2000. So it is 120. Okay, so 120 amount of discount allowed, and the rest of the amount is 2120 is 08 and 1 1808. Okay, 1880 is the amount which debited to the bank account of X. Okay students, now in the books of Y, the second case, in the books of Y. So Y doesn't know that to whom he do the payment, he just make the payment. Okay, so when bill is drawn on the name of the Y, at that time the journal entry is X debit. It is not compulsory to attach the word X with personal account. Okay, so X debit to bills payable, B/P bills payable account, amount of bills which accepted by, when we accept the bill, the entry is X account debit to bills payable account. Now, or at the date of the maturity, X paid, Y paid the bill. When he paid the bill, the journal entry is bills payable account debit. The second journal entry, this is first, this is second. Bills payable account debit to cash account. To cash, in place of cash, we also write bank account. Okay, so we are adding just cash account 2000. Nothing is related with this account. So discount is no have relation with this account because uh, discount is related between two parties, that is bank and Y. Sorry, X. Okay, so Y had to pay full amount of 2000. Okay,